Welcome back to the channel NKJ Anime and Manga. Today in the video we are talking about how Doppo Orochi cuts the ear of a pinch fighter. The episode starts by the conversation between the Doppo Orochi and Tokugawa. Pinch hitting, you say? Yes, pinch hitting. I have never heard of it before. It's a betting match. People put up hundreds of billions of yen by betting real estate. Strength alone makes the winner. Guys who share my mindset? Indeed, both sides send their representative instead of fighting themselves. Those representatives are called pinch hitters. I see, you want me to represent you in a fight. Reluctant to get involved with this, to get wrapped up in a constant of strength over money. Sounds cool. I don't mind getting wrapped up in whatever. You think it sounds cool? You are an honorable figure. You are a real fighter from Korakuen Stadium's underground arena. I don't take pride in these things like that. I am happy to be able to fight and gladly do it. Where is it? A pool or pool with no water in it? Of course. It's a recreational center that was shut down last year. Doppo Orochi enters the stadium that was a hollow pool. The crowd says, Doppo Orochi, do you know him? But he does karate, Karate, same as ever. They look brave going in, but as soon as he gets them, it's all over. He got a good body, those ears. Even the Yakuzas don't do that to them. I can already hear the bone snapping. Forget about bone snapping, we might see somebody die today. Muniochi, I wow. The another pinch fighter enters the arena. The judo user. The Muniochi you know is extremely different. He is stronger. He is here, the strongest pinch fighter. He is here, the strongest pinch hitter. In the real fight, he could murder a gold medalist. He is goddamn huge. He is 204 cm tall and weighs 133 kilograms. Wow, that's huge. He fought as a pinch hitter in more than 70 matches. He's only lost 3 times. And those were all before he's been in 10 matches. In short, he is strong. There is no signal for the start of the match. When the two of you have descended in the pool, it means the match has already started. Even so, the bizarre form. Every time, just barely victory had escaped from that student. For just over 10 years. What have you lived through, Munechi? I wow. His stance. I can just tell it's gonna be a public murder. Though his palms are open, he's aligned to attack. Munechi attacks first, kicks. This joint kick is really well done, but Orochi does it very well. He is easily at the level of a black belt in karate. Oh, here we go. He got him. It's over. His pulling strength is just what I expected. It's a headbutt. He headbutted him. That sound. A throw. Yeah. Munechi throws the Doppo Orochi in the ground. Throws have totally terrifying views. Do it. It's all over now. Doppo Orochi has slammed down on the ground. He's sure alert. He landed the same time and drove his elbow into my ribs. Might be broken. Oh, he is straddling him. He's gonna destroy him. He will go all the way. Crush the skull, fuck him off. Yeah, do it. Don't fuck. Yeah. Whether lying down or standing, karate is still karate. Fist fight with gloves. Then Doppo Orochi strikes his finger into the eyes of a Iwabe. Have pretty different accommodations for fingers and toes. Then Doppo Orochi punch him in the crotch. But I did leave you one. The audience looked shocked and terrified. Now then, just in case, I will finish him off. When Doppo Orochi kicks, striking fast in the neck, he chopped his whole neck and got the ear. His strike is so damn fast that he chopped his ear off. Taking his stance, fight has been over. The public look really sabotaged by the now in bar Chera, cause it wouldn't have been cool. Yeah, that's why. You didn't burst my right eye and the other testicles. Yeah, someday. I am gonna challenge you again. You have still 2 balls. I want to have no choice but to crush them. Doppo Orochi tapping his bag. I will be waiting pinch hitter. If you are still weak, then I will be real nice to you, Crouch. And that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching this video and please consider subscribing for more such videos.